So it's day 2 with the Russians, and today we are heading to the Greater Iqbal Park again, and then we will be going to Shalamar Gardens, and in the end we will be going to Wagah border for the parade ceremony. Here is our first stop. It's Lahore Museum. I have just parked my car right behind the National College of Arts building here on the Mall Road. This is Maxim, and there is this big tree here under which you can park probably 20-25 cars. So now we are heading to Lahore Museum. It was not included in our plan for today, but they wanted to buy some souvenirs, and this was like the easiest place on our route that I thought we can look for some souvenirs here. So we are inside the Lahore Museum, and this is so far the first place of our trip that has some strict rules about wearing a mask inside. So they have written it all over the walls and the entry gate, and also as soon as we entered, the guards also signaled us that you have to put on a mask to enter inside. About Badshahi Mosque, it is not as colorful as like Wazir Khan Mosque, Muhabbat Khan Mosque, or some other significant mosques around Pakistan or the subcontinent, but it still remains the biggest mosque of the Mughal era, and its capacity is close to 1 million people for offering prayer at one time, and it was built in like 1670s. 1671 to 73 by Aurangzeb Alamgir, and actually these big buildings, even like forts or mosques or educational institutions, it was to show the power actually. So when he won against the Hindu leader Shivaji, he built this mosque to show the power of Muslims in this subcontinent area. So we are now in Lahore Fort after Badshahi Mosque. It's very hot here, even though like first week of October has almost passed. It is a bit windy in these big grounds, but still it is very hot. And now we are just walking around, randomly taking turns right and left inside the fort. And Russians, they are not really interested in history of this place. So they are just they preferred to have no guide and just walk around this area and then move on to the next destination. car now on this golf cart because we are already done walking and we still have to go at the Shalamar Gardens and Wagah border, where again we have to walk like probably another 6-7 kilometers today. So let's see how it goes. We are done with the Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and we are sort of racing with time right now. The Russians wanted to see the Samadhi of Ranjit Singh as well, but it was not possible because we are already running late. We still have to cover Shalamar Gardens and Wagah border, and it's already 2 p.m. and we have just ordered the food, so we might have to skip one of the next two as well. So they really want to see the parade thing at the border, so Shalamar Gardens still is a doubtful one, because I'm sure like we will take another 1 hour like waiting for the food and then eating, finishing it, and then it's like 30 minutes drive to Shalamar Gardens, another 25-30 minutes drive to the border. So let's see how it goes. But so far it's been a pretty hot day. We are all sweating pretty badly, and especially the Russians, they are not used to it. Moscow is usually, they are all from Moscow, and it's usually very cold. Even in like June, July, the summer months, they have like 5-6 degrees and not more than that. And here it is easily mid-20s or even worse today. And we are in the first week of October already.